Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with the chapter 2, part 1, microorganisms, friends and foe. The organisms which are very small and cannot be seen with naked eye, we can use only microscope to see them, are called microorganisms. The microorganisms are broadly classified into four groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. We also come across a very small particle called virus, which are actually not living things. They are between the borderline of living and non-living things because they show only one property of the living thing, that is reproduction. Inside the host cell only, they can reproduce by using the host machinery. Whichever animal they live, they grow in the body, that animal is called the host. The viruses contain a thin genetic material and a cover that is made up of protein, a protein coat, or it can be a membrane that is made up of lipid and protein. The genetic material can be of DNA or RNA. Viruses can be of different sizes and shapes, but the size is very small. It is smaller than the bacteria. These days we are hearing the name of a virus which is very famous, COVID-19. So I will talk about little bit about the virus in this chapter. Some viruses contain spikes that is made of protein in the outer layer, which looks like corona. So they are called coronavirus. Whenever a very small thing gets inside our nose, we start developing a mucus and flu-like structure. It happens with the virus also. They are very small, and when they enter our nose, we develop flu-like symptoms, like in case of SARS and MERS. But these viruses, all the viruses, they show sudden changes which are called mutations. When they get inside the host cell, they will use the machinery and they will change. That is called mutation. Now SARS virus it is also called SARS-CoV-2. It is converted or mutated to nCoV-19. Now let us see how the viruses get inside our body. In our body, there are very small structures. Our body is made up of very small structures called the cells. These are the building blocks or the brick of the body. Okay. Now the cell is outside the cell there is a membrane. Like I have made the dotted structure, and there are the red dots I am making. These are the proteins. There are several different types of protein in that membrane or the outer layer of the cell. Inside the cell there is a genetic material. Now whenever the virus that attacks the cell, it changes the protein and it makes way for the virus. Now it is open structure and it can release the genetic material inside the cell. Inside the cell there are other structures also. They are used by the virus or the genetic material of the virus to make more viruses. So same type of viruses, more and more viruses are made, and then the host cell will burst and the viruses comes out. So from one single virus, lot of viruses are made using the machinery of the host, the chemicals that are present inside the cell of the host. Now to fight with the virus, we make vaccine. For that, we will remove the genetic material of the virus and take only the outer coat, so it cannot infect us. It will be injected in the body. Our body will develop the immunity to fight with the virus without causing any harm to the body. or the viruses are made very weak and they are injected and they cause immunity in the body. Now, what is immunity? Whenever external thing enter our body, like the viruses, our body will make some proteins. They are called antibodies that are exactly opposite in shape to the outer proteins present in the viruses. These antibodies will help to break the outer wall of the outer membrane of the virus. It will rupture, it will break, and the virus will become inactive. But sometimes the vaccine become ineffective because we know that there is mutation which occurs very rapidly inside in the viruses. The outer proteins get on changing because so many viruses are being made, the protein changes. If the protein change, the antibodies that are made inside the body, our body, host body, that cannot kill the virus, that cannot harm the virus, and so these antibodies will become then ineffective. So it is difficult to make the vaccines. Besides that, we also use medicine against viruses. The medicines don't kill the virus. They make it difficult for the virus to attach to the host protein. If it doesn't attach, it cannot enter the host cell. But if it enters the host cell, it cannot use the host machinery and replicate or make more of same type of viruses. Now we know that to kill the virus, we cannot kill the virus because it is not living. We have to fight with the virus. To fight with the virus, we can use medicines and vaccines. The medicines can have side effects and the vaccines can take very long time to prepare, to make. So we have to remove the food of the virus. The food is the host cell in which the virus grow. If the host is not there, the virus will not grow. In this case of COVID-19, the host is human. So we have to remove the host, that is, we have to do isolation. So the virus cannot get any human to infect. If it is not getting any human to infect, slowly it will be vanished. So beside isolation, we should also develop our immunity so that if somehow we get the virus, we don't develop the symptoms and we can recover easily. For that, we have to take the home remedies and hot water intake and hot drinks intake, etc. Also, we have to be very positive. Positivity increase immunity. Thank you, students.